Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Bip Max, and today I'm going to show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. And the unpairing could be useful if you want to pair your watch with another device. Maybe you want to sell it or give it away to somebody. Anything that would require you to disconnect it from your phone and your account. So let's get started. And to unpair our watch, we need to open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. And here we can tap on the device. You should see your Bip Max on the page. Now scroll down, find the Unpair button, tap on it. And as you can see, we can select some data to retain. And we can select local music, map, App Store apps, watch faces, and stuff like that. So you don't lose everything. You can just choose some data to retain, but usually you will lose data when you do this because the watch will reset to the factory default settings when you unpair it from your watch, or from your phone rather. So if you want to choose some of the data to retain, then tap on Unpair, Unpair, and the watch will disappear from the device page. And once it does, it will start resetting itself to the factory default settings. And after it's done, you will see the list of languages on the screen, which means that the reset is complete. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.